dear students. So here I am your Arka sir, and I have come with a fresh and new episodes on mathematics trigonometry. Okay, so if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it to get the update, and also click on the bell icon so that you will get all the updates. And today our topic will be trigonometric identities. That means we have to prove something, okay, by whatever the formula we have learnt in the previous episode. By applying that formula, that properties, we have to prove something. Clear? So this all the sums are very important for the examination. So I will try to solve as much as sum I can do in my episodes. Clear? And if you missed my previous episodes, so check that, and you will get all the informations of the previous chapters, okay, complementary angles, okay, and also the basic property of the trigonometric functions, okay, sine is equal to what, cos is equal to what, and the formulas, and also the value of the known angles, and some new sums on that, okay, that we all have done. So now without further delay, let us start. So today let us first solve sum number 1. So sum number 1, what is that? Sin to the power 4 theta minus cos to the power 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. That we have to prove. Prove means what I have told, the answer is given. That means if we can prove this is equal to this, that means our sum is correct. Okay. So now how we can do that? So let what? Sin to the power 4 theta minus cos to the power 4 theta. Okay. So what we can write? Sin square theta whole square minus cos square theta whole square, that we can write. So it is what? A square minus b square. So what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. Clear? So here sin square theta plus cos square theta means what? 1. So 1 into, it is what? Sin square theta. What is the sin square theta? Sin square theta means what? 1 minus cos square theta. Clear? Why? Because what we know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this value is 1. I have written over here. And what is the value of sin square theta? From this formula, what we know, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So I am writing, instead of sin square theta, I am writing 1 minus cos square theta, then minus cos square theta. Clear? So 1 minus 2 cos square theta. What we have to prove? 1 minus 2 cos square theta is equal to what? RHS. Clear? Proved. Okay. So it is, you can write it as LHS, means left hand side. So student, hope you have understood this. Clear? So it is given sin to the power 4 theta minus cos to the power 4 theta is equal to what we have to prove? 1 minus 2 cos square theta. So left hand side is sin to the power 4 theta minus cos to the power 4 theta. So that means sin square theta minus cos square, sin square theta whole square minus cos square theta whole square. So a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 into what? Sin square theta means what we can write? 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta. Then what we can write? 1 minus 2 cos square theta is equal to that we have to prove here. Okay. So this is the solve of sum number 1. So hope we have understood. Now let us move to the sum number 2. Clear? So students, you also can do the sums along with me so that you can understand it properly, and then try to do it at home without watching the solve, how I have done. If you have any doubt, then again see the video and solve it by your own. Clear? Only that, in that case, the confidence you can achieve. Clear? So it is what? We have to prove it. So it is also left hand side. What? Sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta divided by 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta. So I am writing sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta whole divided by 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta. Clear? So sin to the power 4 theta, how you can write? Just like the before, sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square divided by what is there? 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta. Now what we can write? A square plus b square. What is the formula? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. So it is what? A square plus b square formula. Clear? So now same formula we will use now. So a plus b whole square minus 2 into a into b divided by what we can write 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta. Now students, sin square theta plus cos square is equal to 1. Okay, the formula. So 1 square means what? 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta whole divided by 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. So both the numerator and denominator are same. So that will be cancelled, is equal to 1 is equal to what? RHS. Proved. Clear? So hope you have understood this. So it is what? Sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. That means how we can write sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. So a square plus b square formula. So a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So it is sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1. 1 square means what? 1 minus what? 2 sin square theta cos square theta, and in a denominator also 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So both are same. So both will be cancelled and it will be 1, and that we have to prove. Clear? So hope up to this. Okay, you can pause the video and you can copy the sum. Clear? Up to this you have understood. Now let us move to the sum number 3. So students, here it is sum number 3 and 4. It will be prove that. Okay, prove that. Clear? Now see sum number 3. What is given? 1 plus cos square theta divided by 1 plus cosec theta is equal to cosec theta. So let us write first left hand side. So left hand side, what we know? Cos square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore cos square theta is equal to what? Cos square theta minus 1. Clear? So if we change the cos square theta right hand side and bring here, then it will be what? Cos square theta is equal to cos square theta minus 1. Clear? So what we can write now? Left hand side, what is given? 1 plus, that we know. For your understanding, I am writing this. Okay? So it is 1 plus cos square theta divided by 1 plus cosec theta is equal to 1 plus. Instead of cos square theta, what we can write? Cos square theta minus 1 divided by 1 plus cosec theta is equal to what we can write? 1 plus, it is what? Cos square theta minus 1 square means 1. So that means square minus b square. So cosec theta plus 1 into cosec theta minus 1. Clear? Divided by 1 plus cosec theta. So these two will be cancelled. Then 1 plus cosec theta minus 1. This will be cancelled. Therefore cosec theta is equal to right hand side. It is proved. That we have to prove. Cosec theta is equal to right hand side. Clear? So now I am again explaining. So hope you have understood this. What? 1 plus cos square theta divided by 1 plus cosec theta is equal to cosec theta. So see, you have to prove cosec theta. That means cosec theta is there. So this we have to change. Clear? So cos square theta is equal to what? Cosec square theta minus 1. We have to think the relationship between the cosec and cot. There is a formula. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Now we have to omit this by replacing this one. Clear? So cos square theta is equal to what? Cos square theta minus 1. Then it is a formula a plus b into a minus b. So this will be cancelled. So 1 plus cosec theta minus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1 will cancel. Then the answer will be cosec theta. And that we have to prove. So this is our sum number 3. Now let us do sum number 4. Clear? So you can pause the video and you can copy the sum. Now we are doing sum number 4. So what is sum number 4? It is given. So let us write left hand side. What? Sec theta, sec a. Here instead of theta it is given a, the by cos a into cot a plus tan a. Clear? So now we will convert all into sine and cos. Okay? So sec means what? 1 by cos a minus cos a clear, into cot 1 means what? Cos A by sin A, plus tan means what? Sin A by cos A, okay. So now here what will be the LCM? Cos A 1 minus cos square A, okay. So cos A means 1 minus cos A into cos A means cos square A, clear, into here what will be the LCM? Sin A cos A, sin A cos A. So it will be what? Cos square A plus sin square A, okay. Sin A cos A will be the LCM, so sin will be cancelled. So cos A into cos A means cos square A, plus here cos A will be cancelled, then sin A into sin A means sin square A, okay. Now from this 1 minus cos square A means what? Sin square A by cos A into cos square A plus sin square A means what? 1 divided by sin A into cos A, okay. So this and this sign will be cancelled, that means what? 1 by cos A into sin A by cos A. Now what is 1 by cos A? It is reciprocal of sec, that means we can write sec A into sin by cos means what? Tan A, so is equal to RHS, clear, proved. So students, see this sum, if you do not practice at home, it is not possible to solve, clear, you have to practice, otherwise you will be confused by watching this in the examination hall. So that means what? Here sec A minus cos A is equal into cot A plus tan A is equal to sec A into tan A, we have to prove. No angle is given, value of the angle is given, no the figure of triangle is given. If the value of angle will be given, then we can easily put the value and left hand side equal to right hand side, just like the previously we have done, clear. Now here it is what? Sec A minus cos A into cot A plus tan A. So sec A means 1 by cos A minus cos A into cos A by sin A plus sin A by cos A. Now we are doing the LCM, 1 minus cos square A by cos A into sin square A plus cos square A by sin A cos A. So it is what? Sin square A by cos A into what? This is 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta, or sin square A plus cos square A means 1 divided by this, okay. So this will be cancelled, so 1 by cos A into what? Sin A by cos A. So 1 by cos A means what? Sec A, and sin A by cos A means tan A. So sec A into tan A is equal to right hand side, proved, clear. So now let us move to sum number 5. So students, now here let us do sum number 5. Already 4 sums we have solved, okay. So it is what? 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta is equal to this, we have to prove. So see, here we cannot do anything, clear, much more thing. So here we can write sec is the reciprocal of cos and tan means sin by cos, okay. So let us start here from right hand side, okay. So right hand side we can also prove right hand side is equal to left hand side, no problem. So sec theta plus tan theta whole square. What is sec? 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta whole square is equal to what? Cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta whole square, clear. Cos theta is the LCM, so that means what we can write? 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by cos square theta, clear. So what is the formula? A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square divided by cos square theta, okay. So 1 plus 2 sin theta 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by 1, okay, 1 plus sin theta whole square. So we don't have to do this, okay. So let 1 plus, because it is 1 plus sin theta is there, already it has come. So 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by cos square theta means what? 1 minus sin square theta. So what you can write? 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by 1 plus sin theta a square minus b square. 1 means 1 square you can write into 1 plus sin theta. Okay, 1 minus sin theta. Clear? So this and this will be cancelled. So therefore what? 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta is equal to left hand side. Proved. Clear? So that means what? 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus cos theta, that is coming. Clear? 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. So now here it's better to prove it from right hand side. So right hand side is equal to sec theta plus tan theta whole square. So sec theta means what? 1 plus cos theta, okay, plus sin theta by cos theta tan means whole square. So now the normal LCM cos theta, so it is 1 plus sin theta, so that means 1 plus sin theta whole square by cos square theta. So 1 plus sin theta already has come, it is whole square, but it is only 1 plus sin theta. So if we can, so we are not changing it, so 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by cos square theta means what? 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so 1 minus sin square theta is equal to what we can write? A plus b into a minus b. So this and square will be cancelled. So the numerator will be then 1 plus sin theta divided by, here it is 1 minus sin theta. So that is what we as left hand side. So proved. Clear? So hope you have understood this. Now move to sum number 6. Okay, left hand side. What is given? Sin A into 1 plus tan A plus cos A into 1 plus cot A equals sec A plus cosec A. That we have to prove. Okay. So sin A into 1 plus, here we can write sin A by cos A plus cos A into 1 plus cot means what? Cos A by sin A. Clear? So that means sin A into cos A will be the LCM. So it will be cos A plus sin A. Okay? Plus what? Cos A into sin A will be the LCM. So sin A plus cos A. Clear? So see, sin A plus cos A, in the this is one term and that is another term. Clear? Term number 2. So from the both term, what is common? Sin A plus cos A. So we will take the common, sin A plus cos A common. So what is left? Sin A by cos A plus, here what is left? Cos A by sin A. Clear? So here we are taking sin A plus cos A from both the terms as common. So it is left here only sin A by cos A plus here cos A by sin A, because that and this part we have taken common. So what is that? Sin A plus cos A into sin A cos A will be the LCM. Sin A cos A will be the LCM. So cos A cos A will be cancelled. So it will be sin square A plus cos square A. Clear? So that means what? Sin A plus cos A into sin square A plus cos square A means what? 1 divided by sin A into cos A. Now you see how I am doing. Now how you can write? Sin A divided by sin A cos A plus cos A divided by sin A cos A. So sin A will be cancelled, cos A will be cancelled. That is what is coming? 1 by cos A plus 1 by sin A. What is 1 by cos A? 1 by cos A means what? Sec A plus 1 by sin A means cosec A is equal to right hand side. Proved. So students, a little bit tricky. okay, but not difficult at all. So you can easily do that. How? Sin A into 1 plus tan A plus cos A into 1 plus cot A is equal to this we have to prove. Sec A plus cosec A, that we have to prove. Okay. So sin A into 1 plus tan A, what is given? I have written over here. Okay. Then sin A into 1 plus tan A means what? Sin A by cos A plus cos A into what? 1 plus cot A means what? Cos A by sin A. Okay. So here sin A into cos A will be the LCM. So cos A plus sin A by cos A plus cos A into sin A will be the LCM. Then sin A plus cos A by sin A. From these two terms, these are connected with plus. We have taken common sin A plus cos A. So sin A plus cos A common. So here sin A by cos A plus, it is plus sin, okay, plus what? Cos A by sin A, okay, it is plus sin. Clear? If you can see it properly. Then what? Sin A plus cos A common. So now here again sin A cos A will be the LCM. So cos will be cancelled. So sin square A plus cos square A. So sin square A plus cos square A means 1. So sin A plus cos A into 1 by sin A cos A. Now we can write sin A divided by the whole denominator plus cos A divided by the whole denominator. So sin A sin will be cancelled. So 1 by cos A plus cos A will be cancelled. So 1 by sin A. So 1 by cos A means what? Reciprocal of sec. So sec A plus 1 by sin means reciprocal of cosec. So sec A plus cosec A is equal to right hand side proved. Clear? So students, hope you have understood this. Now let us move to sum number 7. So students, now let us move to sum number 7. Clear? What is given? Left hand side sec to the 4 theta minus tan to the 4 theta is equal to 1 plus 2 tan square theta. So let us write left hand side. What is left hand side? Sec to the power 4 theta minus tan to the power 4 theta. So what you can write? Sec square theta whole square minus tan square theta whole square. Then what you can write? A square minus b square. Sec square theta minus tan square theta into sec square theta plus tan square theta. So what we know? What we know? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, that is the formula. And here we have to write tan, that means we have to omit sec. So sec square theta what is equal to what we can write? 1 plus tan square theta. We can shift tan square theta at the right hand side. So that we know. Clear? So here sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to what? 1. So 1 into what is the value of sec square theta? 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta, this tan square theta. Instead of sec square theta, we are writing 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? So now 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta. That means what? 2 tan square theta is equal to RHS. Proved. Clear? So very easy sum, but you have to know how to do it. Otherwise you will face problem. So now it is what? Sec to the 4 theta minus tan to the 4 theta. Sec square theta whole square minus tan square theta whole square. So a square minus b square. Clear? So it is what? A plus b into a minus b. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 with formula we know. Into sec square theta means what? 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta. That means what? 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta means 2 tan square theta is equal to RHS. So that is proved. Now, so hope you have understood this. Okay. So you can pause the video and you can copy the sum. Clear? Now let us move to sum number 8. Let us move to sum number 8. All sums are important. So all the sums you have to practice for the board exams. Clear to all of you? Now, okay. Now sum number 8. Here we have to prove 2. So from 2 we cannot come. So from left hand side we have to prove the right hand side. Okay, because it is a constant value 2. So left hand side, what? Sin theta by cot theta plus cosec theta minus sin theta by cot theta minus cosec theta. So let us do the LCM. Cot theta plus cosec theta into cot theta minus cosec theta. So this will be cancelled. So sin theta into cot theta minus cosec theta minus what? This will be cancelled. So sin theta into cot theta plus cosec theta. Okay. So here from these two terms sin theta will be common. Clear? So sin theta will be common. So it will be cot theta minus cosec theta minus cot theta minus cosec theta. Clear? The sign will change due to the minus, and here a plus b into a minus b, that means cot square theta minus cos square theta. Clear? So that means what? Cot theta and this will be cancelled. So sin theta minus into minus 2 cosec theta whole divided by is what? What we know? Cos square theta. What we know? Cos square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So cot square theta minus cos square theta is equal to minus 1. We are multiplying both the sides with minus. So cot square theta it will be plus, cosec will be minus, and 1 will be minus. So cot square theta minus cos square theta is equal to minus 1. So instead of this cot square theta minus cos square theta, what you can write? Minus 1. So this will be cancelled. Clear? This sign, that means what? Sin theta into cosec theta into 2. Sin theta into cosec theta means what? 1. So that means reciprocal. Okay. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2 is equal to right hand side. Proved. Clear? So only you have to know how to do the sum. Sum is not difficult. Clear? Only practice and confidence is required. Okay, as much as you practice, you will develop your confidence, and you will be confident in the examination hall also, and you can easily do the sums. Okay. So what is that? Left hand side is equal to sin theta divided by this minus cos theta sin theta divided by this. Clear? So we are simply doing the LCM. So cot theta plus cosec theta into cot theta minus cosec theta. So it is sin theta into this minus sin theta into this. Clear? So now sin theta will be common. So cot theta minus cosec theta minus cot theta minus cosec theta, it will change the sign. Okay, and a plus b into a minus b, that is the a square minus b square formula. So cot square theta minus cos square theta is equal to minus 1. Clear? And here it is coming sin theta into minus 2 cosec theta. So that means what? Sin theta. So this minus signs will be cancelled. Minus minus it will be plus. So sin theta into cosec theta into 2. So sin into cosec means what? 1. These are reciprocal. So 1 into 2 means 2 is equal to right hand side. Here we have to prove 2. Clear? So here 2 is coming. That means our sum is correct, and we have to prove this. So students, hope you have understood sum number 7 and 8. Now let us do sum number 9. Okay students, now let us move to sum number 9. Cosec a minus sin a by cosec a plus sin a is equal to this. Okay, sec square a minus tan square a divided by sec square a plus tan square a. So let us, so we have to prove left hand side is equal to something, right hand side is equal to same thing. Then we can write this is equal to this. Clear? So now what is left hand side? Cosec a minus sin a divided by cosec a plus sin a. Cosec means what? 1 by sin a minus sin a divided by 1 by sin a plus sin a is equal to sin a will be the LCM in the numerator. So it is what? 1 minus sin square a divided by sin a will be the LCM. So 1 plus sin square a. Clear? So this will be cancelled. So it is what is coming? 1 minus sin square a divided by 1 plus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a means what? Cos square a divided by 1 plus sin square a. So this is equal to what? Left hand side. Okay. Now let us see what is coming as right hand side. If required, then we can change further. Okay. So sec square a minus tan square a divided by sec square a plus tan square a. What is sec square theta minus tan square theta? Means 1. Sec means what? 1 by cos square a plus tan means sin square a by tan square. That's why cos square a. Clear? So what we can write now? 1 divided by cos square a will be the LCM. So 1 plus sin square a. So what you can write now? Cos square a divided by 1 plus sin square a. So see, left hand side it is coming cos square a by 1 plus sin square a. Right hand side it is coming cos square a by 1 plus sin square a. So as a whole, what you can write? Left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to what? Cos square a by 1 plus sin square a. Here that we already find out, proved. Okay, so both are equal to this. Clear? So that's why it is proved. Clear? So that means what? Left hand side is equal to this, right hand side is equal to this, is equal to this. Okay, so it is proved. Clear to all of you? So very easy sum. So cosec a minus sin a by cosec a plus sin a. So cosec, what we can write? 1 by sin minus sin a. Cosec 1 by sin minus sin a. So the after LCM it is coming 1 minus sin square a by 1 plus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a means what? Cos square a by 1 plus sin square a. Okay. So right hand side sec square theta minus sec square a minus tan square a means 1, and sec a means what? 1 by cos square, that's why 1 by cos square, minus tan square means what? Sin square by cos square. Now cos square will be the LCM. So 1 plus sin square a by cos square a. So cos square a will go up. So cos square a divided by 1 plus sin square a. So this and this value is same. So that's why left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to what we have proved this. Okay. That is our answer. So proved. Now students, let us, you can pause the video and you can copy the sum. So now let us move to sum number 10. Students, now let us move to sum number 10. So sin square theta into tan theta plus cos square theta into cot theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to this. Okay, tan theta plus cot theta we have to prove. So left hand side is equal to something, right hand side is equal to same thing, we can prove also. Okay, so now it is left hand side. So what? Sin square theta plus tan theta plus cos square theta into cot theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Clear? Now what we can write? Sin square theta into tan theta means what? Sin theta by cos theta plus cos square theta into cot theta means what? Cos theta by sin theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. So it is what? Now from these two, what we can write? Let sin theta into cos theta as LCM. Clear? So what is that? Sin cube theta into cos theta will be cancelled. So it will be sin to the power 4 theta plus cos cube theta into sin theta cancelled. So cos cube theta, cos square into cos theta means cos cube into cos theta. That means cos to the power 4 theta plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta into sin theta into cos theta. That means sin square theta into cos square theta. So what you can write now? Sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square plus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. That means what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. That means the formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square divided by 2 sin theta into cos theta. That means what? This is 1. So 1 divided by 2 sin theta into cos theta. That means Okay, so 1 by is only sin theta cos theta. Okay, so that means what? Sin means reciprocal of cosec theta into 1 by cos means what? Sec theta. Okay, so this is coming at left hand side. Now let us do right hand side. Okay, so it is what? Tan theta plus cos theta is equal to tan theta means what? Sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta means what? Cos theta by sin theta. So sin theta cos theta will be the LCM. So it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta. So it will be 1. So 1 by sin theta into cos theta. So that means cosec theta into sec theta. You can also leave here. You can also leave here. See, this and this are same, or you can write like this. Clear? So that means what? Left hand side is equal to this and right hand side is equal to this. We already proved. Okay. So now what you can write? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. Clear? So students, now see what is given. Sin square theta plus tan theta into tan theta into sin, okay, into tan theta plus cos square theta into cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin square theta into tan theta means sin by cos plus cos square into cos theta means cos by sin plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Now it will be what? Sin cube and sin theta cos theta LCM. Cos theta will be cancelled. So sin theta. So sin cube theta into sin theta means sin to 4 theta. Similarly cos to 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. How? Because 2 into sin theta cos theta LCM. So 2 into sin theta cos theta into sin theta cos theta. That means 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So here it is sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square plus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. That means what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. That means a plus b whole square divided by sin theta cos theta. So a plus b sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1 by sin theta cos theta. Clear? Is equal to 1 by sin means what? Cosec, and 1 by cos means what? Sec. So cosec theta and sec theta. We can also leave the sum here. Okay. If you leave the sum here, then that is also correct. Clear? Now right hand side, tan theta plus cos theta. So tan theta is equal to what? Sin by cos, and cos theta means what? Cos by sin. So sin and cos will be the LCM. So it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So that means what? 1 by sin theta cos theta means this is coming. Clear? As I have written this, so that's why I have written here 1 by sin means cosec and 1 by cos means sec. So cosec theta into sec theta. So that means what? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So students, hope you have understood the sum. You can pause the video and you can do it. Clear? So now let us move to sum number 11. Now let us move to sum number 11. It is given this is equal to prove this. Clear? So now what is given? Left hand side tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 into tan theta plus sec theta plus 1. So students, you can see that here this is A, we can consider, and this is B, and here also this is A and this is B. So what is that? A minus B into A plus B. Clear? So that means what? A square minus B square formula. Okay. So what we can write? Tan theta plus sec theta whole square minus 1 square. Okay. Is equal to what is the formula? A plus B whole square formula. Tan square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 tan theta into sec theta minus 1 square means 1. Clear? A plus B whole square formula. A square plus B square plus 2ab. Okay. So what is that? Tan square theta plus sec square theta means what? 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta means 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta into sec theta minus 1. Okay. So this will be cancelled. Clear? Plus 1 and minus 1. So it is what? 2 tan square theta plus 2 tan theta into sec theta. Okay, so 2 common, then what is that? Tan theta plus tan theta into sec theta. Okay, now tan square theta, so 2 tan square theta. Okay, so 2 tan square theta plus tan theta into sec theta. Okay, tan square theta and tan square theta, 2 tan square theta. Clear? So now it will be what? 2 into tan square means what? Sin square theta by cos square theta plus tan theta means what? Sin theta by cos theta into sec means what? 1 by cos theta. Clear? Because what? It is only sin is given. Clear? That's why you have to break like this. Okay, now 2 into, it is what? Sin square theta by cos square theta plus what? Sin theta divided by cos square theta. Okay, so now 2 into cos square theta will be the LCM, so it will be what? Sin square theta plus sin theta divided by cos square theta. Okay, so cos square theta means what? It will be tan means sin theta by cos theta into sec means 1 by cos theta. Okay, so 2 sin square theta. Okay, now it is what? 2 sin square theta plus sin theta divided by cos square theta means what? 1 minus sin square theta. So what we can write here? 2 sin theta is common, so sin theta plus 1 divided by a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So this will be cancelled. Okay, so what is that? 2 sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta is equal to RHS. Proved. Okay, so students, if you do not practice this at home, it is a little bit difficult to do it directly in the exam hall. That's why you have to practice. Okay, different type of sums. Only sum number 11 we are doing, so I will try to do at least 50 sums from this chapter. Okay, in the episodes. Maybe it is not possible in single episode, 2 or 3 episodes I will do. Okay, so now here what is that? Left hand side is given tan theta plus sec theta minus 1, so a plus b into a minus b. So that means what? It is a square minus b square formula. So the whole square formula, it is tan theta plus sec theta whole square means what? Tan square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 tan theta sec theta minus 1. So tan square theta plus sec square theta means what? 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta sec theta minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will cancel. So 2 tan square theta plus 2 tan theta sec theta is equal to 2 into tan square theta plus 2 common. Okay, so 2 into tan square theta plus tan theta sec theta. Now tan, we are what we know, sin by cos, that means sin square theta plus cos square theta plus tan theta means what? Sin theta by cos theta into sec theta means what? 1 by cos theta. Okay, is equal to what we can write? Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus what? Sin theta by cos into cos means cos square theta. Clear? So 2 common, so it is what? Sin square theta plus sin theta divided by cos square theta. So cos square theta means what? 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so 2 into sin square theta plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin square theta is equal to 2 sin theta common from this. So sin theta plus 1. Clear? Divided by 1 plus sin theta into, it is what? 1 square minus sin square theta, that means square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. So this will be cancelled. So 2 sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. Okay, so that we have to prove. Clear? And we are getting this value directly. Okay, so hope you have understood the sum number 11. You can pause the video and you can copy the sum. Now, okay, now let us do sum number 12. Clear to all of you? Now let us do sum number 12. Okay students, now let us do sum number 12. Clear? What is that? 1 plus cot a plus tan a is equal to into sin a minus cos a. Okay, is equal to sin a tan a minus cot a cos a. That we have to prove. Clear? So now let us start as it is left hand side. Okay, so left hand side means what? 1 plus cot A plus tan A. Okay, 1 plus cot A plus tan A into sin A minus cos A. Okay, now it is 1 plus cot A means what? Cos A by sin A plus tan A means what? Sin A by cos A into sin A minus cos A. Okay, now let us multiply with this and this. So it is first sin A. So it is sin A into 1 means what? Sin A plus sin A into this. That means, so what? Sin will be cancelled, then cos only, cos A plus sin A into this. That means what? It is what? Sin by cos means what? Tan A. Tan A into sin A. Completed. Now with this minus cos A into 1, that means minus cos A. Cos A minus cos A into this, that means what? Cos by sin means what? Cot. Okay, that means minus cot A into cos A. Cos A, then minus cos A minus this, so cos will be cancelled, that means minus sin A. Okay, now minus sin A plus sin A plus cos A minus cos A. So what is there? Tan A into sin A minus cot A into cos A. C is equal to right hand side. Proved. Clear? So very easy sum, but you have to understand how to do it. Clear? Otherwise you may face problem. Now it is what? 1 plus cot A plus tan A into sin A minus cos A is equal to this we have to prove. Now how to do it? First we are writing this whatever is given. Clear? Now cot means what? Cos by sin plus tan means what? Sin by cos into sin A minus cos A. Now we are simple multiplication. Okay, sin A into whole thing minus cos A into whole thing. Clear? So sin A into 1 means sin A into this means only cos A, sin A into this means sin by cos means tan A into sin A. Clear? Now minus cos A into 1 means minus cos A into this, that means what? Cos by sin means cot A into cos A. Okay, minus cos A into this means minus cos A and cos A will be, cos A and cos will be cancelled, that means minus sin A. So minus sin A plus cos A minus cos A will be cancelled. So what is left? Left is this one is left, and here this one is left. Clear? So that means what? Tan A into sin A minus cot A into cos A is equal to, that we have to only prove here. Okay, so is equal to right hand side proved. Okay, so student, hope you have understood the today's episode up to sum number 12 we have done. So if you have any problem, then write in comments, I will try to solve it. Okay, and obviously I will reply you. Okay, whatever the problems you are facing. And the second thing is that in my next video I will upload more sums from this topic, trigonometric identities. Okay, so you have to practice as much as possible. Okay, so that you can get rid of your fear from mathematics. So hope you have understood this, and it will also help you during the examination. So see you in my next episode. Thank you.